Okay, so after you have read the story, these are your two assignments that are attached to this story. The first one is focusing on central idea. Central idea is what the text is mostly about. That's what number one is asking you. It says answer the question about the central idea on page 336. So this is not the central idea of the whole story. This is central idea of that one particular section, which is kiss and makeup. So number one, what is the central idea of the section called kiss and makeup? And then number two goes along with number one. What are some details that support the central idea of this section? So details are just other facts that help you understand what that one central idea is. Your central idea will most likely just be one sentence. And then number two would just be some other details that were included in that piece of the text. Then your next one is text structure. So authors organize information in a way that helps readers see how ideas are connected. So text structure is how the author chose to lay out the story for you. They can use a problem and a solution. They can do cause and effect. They can do sequential order. We're focusing here on page 336 again. And the question is number one, how are the ideas on page 336 organized? So how did the author lay out those ideas? Was it a problem and a solution? Was it a cause and effect? Was there steps? Was there events that happened in order? How was that page laid out? And then number two is asking you, how do you know? So how did you figure out how the author chose to lay out those ideas on page 336? And then number three is asking, why do you think the author chose this particular text structure for this section? So if you chose cause and effect, for example, number three is asking, why do you think the author chose to lay this out in cause and effect? Or if it was problem solution, why did the author decide to use a problem and a solution to present this information to you? If you have any questions about these assignments, of course, reach out to me or Mrs. Rhodes, and we will help you the best that we can.